Hello students, today we are going to see 9th standard maths second chapter exercise 2.7 second Roman number. Second question, rationalize the denominator for second question 5 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. So what is the conjugate for this denominator? So that is equal to 5 root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. The conjugate you have to multiply and divide 5 root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Root 3 minus root 2 and root 3 minus root 2. You have to take the conjugate of the denominator and multiply and divide of the given sum. So root 3 minus root 2. So first you have to multiply this and throughout this and this. So that is equal to 5 root 3 into root 3 and second term minus 5 root 3 into root 2 plus 2 root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 into root 2 divided by this is a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So that is equal to here root 3 into root 3. So 3. So 5 into 3 15 minus here 5 root 6. 5 root 3 into root 2 5 root 6 plus root 2 into root 3 root 6 minus root 2 into root 2 2 divided by here 3 minus 2 because square will be root will be cancelled. So that is equal to 15 minus 2 13 minus 5 root 6 plus root 6 we will get minus 4 root 6 divided by 1. So that is equal to what is the answer for this sum? 13 minus 4 root 6 is the answer. Can you understand students? The third question, find the value of a and b if root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2 is equal to a root 7 plus root b. Let us take the first LHS. LHS is equal to root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. You have to multiply and divide by conjugate, that is root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2. If it is plus, you have to take the minus. And what we have to do? Next step, multiply each and every term. So that is equal to root 7 into root 7. First this one and here. So root 7 into root 7 into minus 2 minus root 7 into 2 or 2 root 7. You have to write 2 root 7. And then next one also minus 2 root 7 and minus of minus plus 2 2s are 4 divided by and here a square minus b square. So root 7 the whole square minus 2 square. So that is equal to here 7 minus 2 minus 4 root 7 here plus 4 divided by 7 minus 4 because root will be cancelled. Here 2 2s are 4, 7 minus 4. So that is equal to 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 minus 4 root 7 divided by 3. So we have to take as 11 by 3 minus 4 by 3 root 7. Now you have to compare this right hand side. You have to compare the right hand side, that is a root 7 plus root b. So now we have to take for, not root b, only b. A root 7 plus b. So a root 7 plus b, we have to compare this LHS and RHS. Which one is this one is root 7. So coefficient of root 7 is a and the next term will be b. So what is a? A is equal to coefficient of root 7, that is minus 4 by 3. And what is b? So that is equal to 11 by 3. So a is equal to minus 4 by 3 and b is equal to 11 by 3. The fourth question is if x is equal to root 5 plus 2, then find the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared. Now, first you have to take x is equal to root 5 plus 2. What is 1 by x? 1 by x is equal to 1 by root 5 plus 2. So, you have to multiply and divide by conjugate because you have to rationalize the denominator. So, root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. We will get root 5 minus 2 into 1, root 5 minus 2 divided by root 5 the whole square minus 2 square. So, that is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by 5 minus 4. So, that is equal to root 5 minus 2 divided by 1. So, root 5 minus 2. And what is the next step we have to do? What is the formula of x square? X plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square. So, a square plus b square plus 2ab into 1 by x square. So, this one and this one cancel. So, x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to, or here plus 2. So, you have to take minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. Now, we have to find out x squared plus 1 by x squared. So, x plus 1 by x the whole square means we have to take as this is x and this is 1 by x the whole square. So, x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to x root 5 plus 2 here plus root 5 minus 2. So, plus 2 and minus 2 cancel. Root 5 plus root 5, 2 root 5. So, root 5 plus 2 root 5. The whole square means we have to take as the square. This is x, this is 1 by x and this is the value of 1 by x. So, 2 root 5 the whole square. So, that is equal to 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 into 5. So, that is equal to 20. So, what is x plus 1 by x the whole square? 20. So, you have to substitute here 20 minus 2 is equal to x squared plus 1 by x squared. So, we have to find out the value of x squared plus 1 by x squared means x squared plus 1 by x squared is equal to 18 is the answer. Fifth question, given root 2 is equal to 1.414, find the value of 8 minus 5 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. So, we have to take the conjugate for 8 minus that is equal to root 2 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. Multiply and divide by conjugate. So, 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 3 plus 2 root 2. So, that is equal to, you have to multiply each and every term. 8 into 3, 24 and 8 into 2, 16 root 2. So, plus 16 root 2 and here minus 15 root 2, minus 15 root 2 and minus 2 into root 2 minus here minus 5, here 2. So, you have to take 5 into 2, 10 and root 2 into root 2 the whole square. So, you have to take remove the square root and so 5 into 2, 10 into 2 minus here minus and plus. So, put minus 10 into 2 divided by here 3 that is a square minus b square 3 square minus 2 root 2 the whole square. So, plus that is equal to 24 here minus 20. So, 24 minus 24 and here 16 root 2 minus 15 root 2 plus 1 root 2. So, plus root 2 divided by 3 3s are 9. Here 2 2s are 4 and the square root will be cancelled. So, 4 2s are 8. So, 9 minus 8. So, that is equal to 4 plus root 2 divided by 1 only. So that is equal to, what is the value of root 2 given in the question? 4 plus root 2 value 1.414. So that is equal to 5.414 is the answer. Can you understand, students? Thank you. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.